kwa ya master ima agari meba yoke yawu ima ari meba adoba me wa mana ari meba many jore ya ari meba because o se no da o se ni eke ga ano me ogun me vie ori budze me ami ede ne ya tie me ami ede ne ya o mana tie me week kedo gba the following week almost to nene. So, choir master, may your soul rest in peace. May your soul rest in peace. Orun okpara gbona no me egun aye verede na ya bi ma yara wuto. Orun okpara wa ehun me egun aye verede. Ogogo nu gogo be gbe choir master emi nu ta o man wa won me wa won gogo o uka ebe egun aye verene. Uga nwame wa be mi oku eve ni begbe egbe ya neru na nu gwa keke nu gwa riri aje eri egbo ebe na ri eke eri egbo ga na ebe noze uma na egun aye mere de na bia we ran uto oda wa uwe umi oku eve bi gi ogwa we ogun aye mere ne o ma gbo ohun o ma mi ewo mo o ma si we fi ada ogogo nu gogo we gbe choir master wa nwame eve no kwa okan asunu we gbewe eti o salo baya neruna eti o imi ya no giru woto edo ya neruna no gwa dado gwa na gogo uma na eti nwine rebo gwa no fun egbe ga ro gwa no gogo ga regbe ni ogu kati nwine re ni o balo nu si ye gbo be wa be mi oko balo ni wa be jukmo ne hui wa mi o balu pe oko be gbe on eru ni to na ni da doge ama weni na gbege vie weni meje na me gwa yi winere ne gwa no gi me na gwa be gwa yi winere ne orun paro no me temi orun paro no me be temi na wuye mase emi bu na tale li me na ero me gbe ima fie na je so uga weni ugu gwa igu on eru ni me na uga ri ame ni wa uri agbe we ni wa uga gwala mezo ugbe kano semesewe ona eru ni me na be de agbe uga gwani esira we ma ili yeke we ma uga gwani esira we mi ogogo ili yeke we mi ogogo ona eru ni na be de agbe orun oparo no me egun ayi winere na bie we ran woto aga mi ewu gun ayi winere ne wa won me umi ogogo bo gbe umi ogogo ba van oku eve no ku a ope o avanuku oke ava be gwa we ati Jesu Christi no me mafa uga won meru na ni na gwa osenu wa o wi e rota we say ati o to ne do ati o to eriyomo ati o imi ya ni rota gbona ya ati won ba ya no rugo to ya na eru na nu wa ati mota no ka we ke oba ati de no poko a ku gwa ba no jukmo ne ku iwo na agbon abe celebrate ebe nu gwa okwu even kwa mami ede na bi wa na otu kwa ha mi egbe age na tamu wa ko wa de o keke no riri ahi o ebi no ba lu kwa sopo sisi eni ka o hian figi wa the only thing ne runa hian na se nu kwa aga mi wa me tene rede ofo so ebi no si ni na ladin be na wa no ta we mami si we why worry. Why worry? Eru medona. Eru we dona no medona no hu. Mete mo mane, mete me na matie bejini. Iwe ba ma oge no ba we ga nwa. O ma o ba we mana nwa. Wa ajuk mo ne hu. Awene no ma wo ba lo sopo sisi o ba lo no so sisi wa mi egbe wa jukpo nu gbe oru nebi ya gogo no ma no wu wa jere wo bi wa jere ma fa emi nu wa kwa masa nu we gbo ya we weda we emi nu ko we ge na wa ri o wa won me wa ri o wa mi okwe ebe ni tari o ya se They only now make beraba. 1 minute. I beg. My beautiful sister. My sister, God will bless you. A beg a message you no tag on me where ni forgive you where. He forgive you when Sister Vera TV. He forgive you when because imana me rock ba ni woman o mani na aro wie me o mani ami obalo begbe iga we mu na gume gwa no problem ijabo when Sister Vera wo mani ma we mo ijabo when okay ma we gba me gbeso saloba no mo kweso ro wa ni ma imi ewu imi ame ugwe ohi jori ohi dawe se ugwe wabi jore magbagui nuke rowi jore magu wegbon one day e ma tagele no I magu wegbon won no se ni managu wegbon I ma mi o I ma ge there are many things in the matter ige ade ire won me ba me we ni yaga de tama me ige o ti ogmen soro e ma soro no we birthday iyari we birthday ina mo pitching ya ye YouTube me Emana do te mommy jure ona no waro wi gwe ina wi oro ona we ro wi e a na so we ro no we marriage ogwe mommy jure na no wa we ro wi gwe ina wi ona we ro wi me a me ma ogona mo picture me gina ige ige because ekeni merie oregbe even destination even future even big dream so ya do adame hanya me iseti sekenirie a gift no salobari me woto na do run opa mo pa nya so I have to value my gift ige you know Sister Vera TV God will bless you my sister I forgive you everlasting forgive but ege iwere gbe sunu you know ege iwere gbe sunu Sister Vera TV oma no ma uwe mi iro wi o Oma ni na we mu te mata ejo wo ma ya mo ma o erun dorun opa no boyin ku u boyin mata wa ni mana we akuba ku e unwe we yes emi nu uma we ya please o maropa because the Bible says we should continue to say the truth o so lo ba ni maga te mata e mata no he ti mi ma ya fa e mata no he ti dolewoji e mata no he ti ri akugbere e mata no he ti ri ogogo ni ma without e mata one day we are we no we temata mawe o saroba na egu wa bo ma make si be judge we boye kugbo because anything no really pe o wa so Sister Vera he forgive you we e ya forgive you we but age we gbe sunu ayi ni ame gbava e lo me wa no age we gbe sunu ina uwe mi ugun mego ima na uwe mi gwe ma ima poru no si gbe we ma gbe ba u sekenuje ima po no sekenuje so emi ya no bege gbe me wa be gun aji wa be ge wi ege na mo picture we la tan me la tan e bege ni ege ni na mo picture we la tan la tan e gbe me gun ayo ima gun ayo because o ma kan me omo agwera ero mo okoko mo eromo omo gwera so umari abeku no ba ogwo pasie mu ani mo wa so omo kan you know so ijabo we igwi yeye igwi okay igwi anybody ni me ma me ro pa ni mewo o ma ni ka won me emi ogogo no iro wie me o ma ni awon be mi ogogo ni eru ni me na ri o wa se so Ekwaya master yon mo tiyan bo bi je ije obi okan ije is 46 years old ije Ekwaya master hin nugwaya lao you ni ma support Ekwaya master nugwa lao Ekwaya master ojebe mi averere bie me be bie Ekwaya master odamani we ogun awe awe eri omomo you know wayala wo me not tana ya juze ya drop 1 million nije because he we Ekwaya master gbe Ekwaya master say no da o me else we oba mijore odo ahumere no ekwaya masa me ho eba ote ọmọ me kwaya masa gun ave fun kwaya masa ma ego ma ni mu me ye ko but tamo ma ni we e mo mijoro ri ogogo me ya wa bege mo mijore ko wa arin rin me so ya die wa iyonu wa ya fefefe ọmọ no ni love kwaya masa ọmọ no ewe ye love kwaya master osaloba na gumega e billionaire e kwaya ipa me no be so no na me na re 5 million ni jo ma de mi no ria ohun ni mami go ya dukmo wo so no ti o mama ati o ma e kwaya master ma me ke vadame e kwaya master ma te batatata lele me ya yeke una sike me wa bi ate me mo ge dan ibe he but many of una why we am me ye line Ema no gele we me why ga ni nyemi emume ye line abia ya emume ye line but why ye betie me ye be gugwa ge because I ga koko tune okeke nu behave as a account number oge ni mari gi jeji ya tie nu waba then he said that e doctor wa call odo tie nu wa any amount no he love for your master but me I will personally give a mother 1 million but 1 million ihe ari ni je without ijobo wu wa ni ka akwe ya kukugbe ari ni je but any moment from now ya stop a live video. I want to really cause ekwa master no ya wu kedore ade vvvie cause ihe message not drop me the Sunday the Saturday ni mabo egun on Monday yen na wu. So I can't na arigo naji because he just 46 years. Yonpa wa no rewebo. I speaker ni yawe live video na. Ekwaya ma savio egun me. I speaker ni lona ni yawe live video. Ekwaya ma sa ni ovio egun me. That big speaker ni yakpe music. Owa ade tutu. Ekwaya ma sa kitali poster egun me. Ya se gbe silifan stadifan ekwara ma sabe poster ebe tegun me ekwara ma sabe poster ebe gun me silifan stadifan o poster ere David Oladis kwa master ojo Oladis me iwe ni atemi no ewu me aga ni na we birthday me 400 euro ekwa masari me be birthday me 400 euro. So you got 1 million ni je deti ye me no so ni rie ne. Ahoni me mai rie bai ben live video or come down now. Ya relax. I want to really die me my Kwaya Master is a very nice man. Mo ha me Kwaya Master eke no hiase o eke ne hian ko hiase. Ekwaya master ki win ani e la video origa watch ogma se bi abega e woge pa o bi a comment iwi my be ya be we be call e we ge pa o we pa temata tagboma o no temata yes ore ini na ore ini e ragbon na beto ye exist igwa bege committee we woge pa we be lele pa ogwe pa temata ogwe bet ye lake wa no temata ogwe bet agbon ge iyan ma ge pa gun a ogwe pa temata we many time even last week ima boy be tell me pa be Facebook. So the reason why I not stopping winner even ye na be a winner there okay je koma wa no bu we gbe mara wanobu wani bugwe etogwe ba so no mana ri owa no ya gba oge gbe bugwa we je owa o mana we kini oge o ekere no ike iya ni re ebo ni re Nigeria mu ma tie we bona do gba oge gbe eke no na magwe o mani na me mental problem o metin ariwa ko me mi ma no me mental problem in no jo we gbe na ran ya ma be go those cancer kidney problem forget to forget Choir master rest in peace my brother rest in peace gbina negbewe ya joba ni ka onu hoko ebiye on veni viene kedor ya adi cause mani buro no se me boda ni a se me yeke Choir master is not like that. It's not like that. Even a man with Jackie no chenya only have be confused eh. I be summit. Oh why is it a program mo majority? Why is it ta? Ugbe so omu me ye call. Iya e we Choir master mo me ye call. We are agwa. Awe e mo majority awe who set mo me ye a program mo majority. Oma agume gwan wa call if you live video na iji magwe gugwan be yana iji magwe gugwan be yana wa gugu iji magwan be yana wa gugu iji magwan oh my god Choir master rest in peace mommy jore love you mommy jore miss you no that way ya stop a live video now a live video o gwa me ima ya we live video ke do na de ma tie me na eni me ba tie me e ma need a prayer. Isa ni mazo ye go home. O ma feti me. Just wait a live video where we are begging me, we are going, we are go. If not, a level in myself, I can do anything without live video. If you don't know, make una know. Why worry na? Ni me ya we live video na, ni me ya we live video na. Ya get me here live. Why get me here happy? Wa esegwe jore, esongwe jore. Aha mo wa yore be go wie wa yore be go wie we opia wa la go mu na opia wa ga pay go wa na obo wa ga friend obo wa ga zigo na obo ri gbu wa pisa na opia ri gbu wa pisa wa wo jore wa doja papa jo gbo unwa wa ya mo inu wa mama unwa wa ya mo inu wa mama. So the account number make I bring the account then he said they made doctor call first. May call the account number. Doctor, he said that when anybody know we like a Choir master, you love it. I want to support you. You just make an eye swing kiagmo. All the soil already your accounts. The Choir master or you go my resort and water no mappa. Yes, egi rap mona ke kan ora haro saloba. Aso awo saloba magawe mana. Ama na wa saloba maga. Ya na Jesu. Ume right no ya judge me. Ume right no ya tawo le mini jore ga. Unwe wa judge egbewe. Judge egbewe, don't judge me because wa gele he Bible. O saloba type se very ogbe my right ni ma ya judge ma. Wa ya go sa deve na ya go sa e pass wu a ami oru okpa na wu oh we o me 2 years iwu o me 5 years iwu do ma na hi awu yi o bi o tame no ga re 3 years o ma wu a oru okpa na hi awu e no ma gu gwa gwe eri agosa eri agosa won so wa e me wata o wa gun azuozu o wa gun azuozu I respect gbugwa o ma na gu gwa gun o ma me wetin mu wa me no se ni na gu gwa gun wa e level me cause ukpo me so wa wish wa be so ya do agu wa gun ave lawyer me ya call me true to God since yesterday owo ke lawyer ri me be don't disturb me no ha ma me ni get zeju wa ewu awa on wa go me wa kin ado a disturb me ave ma ni ene gbe ni America Canada double all over the world mommy jore la wo iya wa me be Facebook I said you say ni na zeju wa it's not so wa ma me sejore but ukpo no saloba mo meji na 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 meme odo samije na na meme because when you call yourself a Christian there are certain things you have to bear it. If you cannot bear insult, you cannot work for God. If you cannot bear nonsense, you cannot work for God. I am working for Jesus Christ. A Jesus in me nana. So the Jesus Christ in me insulting say me. You know? A Jesus Christ. Insult or Jesus Christ yourself or sorry me. So who am I? You insult me in your home. You cannot beat me if you see me for street. You talk nonsense in your home. You cannot beat me if you see me in the market. Who am I? Who? Who me baba no do wijo de la remana e pa ya gbeju wa o. E we bo maje. So, say my people. Well, I don't want right no ya judge ma. Anybody no judge ma. We also na gbona be fi wa we no see. Wa ni bo ata we. Wa mi ma no gugwa. Ijore nya ya ge because they say who go sa. Because when no go sa akwe ezo yi akwe. Umunu eye du munu eye ja. Who follow lele go sa lo boa. Doctor call him and said with the account number. Who follow lele mo go sa lo boa so wa we appreciate when akwa be rube like so. Omo se na ya aja wo megewe. Omo se na ya wo yi go no me no ejewu. Inwene gbogbo amugwa so e ukpo ni meje na e na gwe ezo. Imala tian be ezo. Oh, ezo kere ni megbe ezo isime ma sezo. So why am I going to do that? It's when it kere e fun me fun. Mommy Jore Lagogo, Mommy Jore Lagogo, Lagogo. Is that Madam Yore, please? Don't mind those crazy people. Please, they are just mad. Everybody knows them. So what am I going to do? I have to listen to their voice because almost a lot of getting or do I save them. Oh, what a way gift you know, what material for a kia wahi. Is that you why am I here? Okay. Why am I belly kia here? No semester what beka, no lack one milk beka, no semester way. E wo no ya gbeka no semester we ga be we ni Jesu e so so wa ga mi be gbo wa mi e wo ta wa mi e be yekewe wa mi e be gi o wa we me akọ doctor call him na abo we te call him no te kan no ba na
Finish.
Abi you want to before doctor go come. Good topic, mama. Yeah, be you be. Ako wa gbegeti. Hello, doctor. Come, me send the way account number na rie mi ji na ni je kwaya master because many ala jaba kweri yakwe. Okay, me ya jolly day kere. So imana we again na amiege na yawe. Anybody know he love a choir master? Why I will love it? Why the hell will hate it? Because a choir master won't make it do me where I work choir master ma. I work choir master enemy that way. Why choir master ma? When I work choir master ma. Oh, we got VJ me choir master. Where? Oh, salobwa. Hello, doctor, get here call. Wari baro lu get the account number. Wala no support account je. Aya wi jobo ni je.
The name na guy
Queensley. Wagman Queensley. Wagman la dia gi agbon na la dia ba. Doctor, when me take my ladia. Okay, what's here now? Queensley Nosa or Moregi.
Account number 208174569.
Okay, doctor, when we know what soon na no banning a telephone number ladia. Normal that's not the why record the give a WhatsApp. We want need that account number. Now ya donate go ne nije choir master. Tedi number ladia.
Telephone number +234 81 39 26 73 84.
What expect the number?
+234 81 39 26 73 84. This Pinel again.
Okay, we're Pinel Adian. So here Pinel Adian, okay?
Okay.
On here Pinel Adian. Unu no bugwa gba ni makoke ni mamu nije. Okay? Ahi ave mwene ni go gije. Ave video waya ave bege ai video ne de ije ya moye e bankore. Madam Yore aka Ukinebo, I will drop 1 million naira to Mama Choir Master one of the whole world, aka Omonotemata. So God bless you, my Odogun.
God bless you all.
God bless you, sir.
I thank God.